Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new 15-minute journaling session. Today we're going to be creating a fun interactive page together, so let's get to it. So today is day 7 of our journaling every day for 30 days, and I am excited for this page. So today I'm gonna be documenting my oldest daughter's birthday. She turned 19 last month, and yeah, we had a really fun day together, and I wanted to just put together some different papers, do a little collage, and enjoy remembering the memories again. So I am using this paper collection. This is by Authentic. It is a 6x6 collection, but I only had these 4 sheets left, so not enough to make a full project, but perfect to create this spread. So I'm just starting by gluing the pages down onto the journal to create a background page. So I wanted to have this collage effect and ripped the paper, but also I wanted to give myself the option to have a pocket. So I am going to be leaving this section open here on the center so we can add a journaling card on the inside. So I wanted this page to be pink and girly and fun, so I'm going to be adding some lace here, and I'm just using my fabric glue to add this. It's kind of like a wider piece of trim that I had on my stash, so I thought it would be perfect. And I also want some of these to hang off the page so you can see it from the outside of the journal. I love when we have different things sticking out of the page, so I think I'm going to be making maybe more tags and adding more lace to the bottom of the page, so at the end we have all kinds of different textures coming out from all sides of the pages. So now for the pictures, I have one bigger picture that is when we were having dinner, and then I have 3 other pictures my daughter by herself. So I went ahead and cut all of those 3 pictures at the same exact size, and I'm backing those up on cardstock because I want this to be a little kind of like a hidden picture display. I want to showcase the one on the front, but I want the ones behind it to kind of be tucked in. So I'm creating this kind of like a fan effect that it will open up and then we can close it back up. So I think this turned out super cute. So I'm going to be using a brad to create the mechanism of this page. So I'm just gonna back these on cardstock and cut them all again at the same size and add my brad. So once I put the pictures together, I'm going to glue them onto the page, and I'm also going to make sure to not glue down the pocket. So I'm just adding glue on the back of the picture carefully so I don't close out that pocket that I added. So for the other side, I only have this one picture. One thing that has changed is that we don't take as many pictures as I wish we did, but on the other side, we're really enjoying the moment when we are out, so we're not constantly stopping to take pictures, which I do enjoy that we're so in the moment. So I only have these many pictures from that day, and I wanted to make the spread also really fun. So I'm gonna make this one picture able to spin, and I think it will be really fun to add more movement onto this page. So I'm just backing the picture on some cardstock. So to make the picture spin around, I'm going to do a little mechanism here on the side. So I'm just gonna cut 2 pieces of cardstock, and these are just gonna be maybe, you know, a random size, just a little smaller. And I'm going to put a brad, so I'm gonna poke a hole right at the center, and I'm gonna join these 2 pieces using the brad. Then to add my picture, I'm going to add foam tape to either side of the brad to create a little bridge so I can put my picture on top, because otherwise the brad will create a bulk on the center of the picture, and I don't want that to happen. So you want to protect your picture as well. So I'm adding the foam tape, and now I have enough room to just put my picture on top, and we are going to glue these section onto the page. And there you go. Now we have a really fun spinning page, and it's just a very simple layout, but adding a little bit of movement to the page, I think it just makes everything a little bit more special. So we have the display picture on the side, and also I use one of these journaling cards for the pocket, and I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of journaling, and we will be done with this page. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's journaling session. I really had a lot of fun with this one. Simple, but yet unique and special. And I will be back tomorrow with another journaling with me. And I want to thank you for watching. Bye.